Thinking about booking your very first hearing test? That's great. But before we walk into the center, there are few things you shouldn't do because that can affect your results and even make the test less accurate. Don't go in with blocked ears. A lot of people don't realize that earwax can mess up hearing tests. If your ears feel clogged or ringing, or if you have noticed muffled sounds, it's worth getting your ears checked and cleaned by a professional before the test. Avoid trying cotton swabs yourself. It usually pushes earwax deeper. Don't expose yourself to loud noises 24 hours before. Going to a concert, blasting music in your headphones, or spending time in noisy traffic right before your test can temporarily fatigue your ears. This might make your hearing look worse than actually is. Give your ears some quiet time at least a day before the appointment. Don't skip your medications or caffeine without asking. Some medications can impact hearing, but unless your doctor says otherwise, don't stop them just because you have a test. Also, too much coffee or energy drinks before your appointment can make you jittery and distracted. How well you respond during the test. Don't come, I am tired or stressed. Believe it or not, your focus matters in a hearing test. If you're exhausted or stressed, it might be harder to catch those soft sounds. Try to rest well the night before and come in relaxed. Don't be afraid to ask questions. A lot of first timers stay quiet during the test, but if you feel confused about the instructions, speak up. The audiologist is there to help you. They want the most accurate results too. So, quick recap: avoid loud noise, don't DIY your ear cleaning, don't stop medications on your own, and make sure you're well rested. Follow these simple steps, and your first hearing test will be smooth and accurate. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this with a friend who's thinking about their first hearing test, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy hearing health tips. And if you have got your appointment coming up, let me know in the comments what you're more curious about.